So this episode is not about AI, but one thing that I've noticed that has been consistent across multiple LLM providers is that with their API or their usage plans, they have an idea where there is a current session for your usage, which expires in a certain amount of time, but then also a weekly usage. And this is a great way to throttle requests to prevent abuse, but then also allow for different tiers for more usage. And so in this episode, we're going to re-implement this kind of rate limiting functionality on a subscription basis. So in our example application, we'll sign in as a free user. And when we sign in, we see that we have our current session. We also have a weekly limit, and we can then create API tokens to call upon our API. So in our terminal, I'm going to have a curl request that will curl the API with the API token. We'll see that we got our response along with some metadata. And if we were to refresh the page, we then see the usage increases. If we were to hammer this and make several requests, we're not getting rate limited for making too many requests in just a few seconds, but instead our usage, if we were to refresh, then increases. And if we were to continue this, we'll eventually hit our hourly limit. And once we hit that limit, we'll then get an error saying that the rate limit exceeded. And the nice part about it is that we'll then get a message of when it resets. So we've now used all of our hourly requests, and we still have a bit of room in our weekly, but we do have to wait about 21 minutes before we can make any more requests because we have exhausted the hourly usage. And so that's what we're going to be creating in this episode. And did you know that you can go to railsstore.com to get your own Ruby on Rails t-shirt or your Drift and Ruby t-shirt? To watch this full episode and more videos, visit driftandruby.com and subscribe to the Pro membership.